Well, we're in the reefer plant now. These are all the compressors that, compress our ammonia for our refrigeration. It's what we use to freeze our cargo hold and freeze the fish. We got 5 of them. This is number 3, 4, 2, number 1, and this is number 5. Right here I have a document. It's got a bunch of categories. We're looking for particular numbers to tell us that the system, that each compressor is doing exactly what it needs to be doing, and that nothing weird is happening. So the first thing I do is I go around and I see which compressor is running. Looks like number 1's secure. Put your hand up to it. You don't feel any air coming out of the vent. It's a good indication it's off. Right here. Oh, can't really see that. But there's air coming out. So we know that number 3 is on. Over here to number 4. No air, so we got 4 secure as well. Right over here. So number 2, number 5, and number 3 are running right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get their information. So, when filling out this sheet, we actually start with the main pressure, the main system. It's an overview. It's the average, if you will. Those numbers indicate the discharge pressure, the suction pressure, and the pump pressure for the whole system. It's all tied in to that main pipe. That main pipe to the return line as well. Looks like we're at 126. It's not bad, that's pretty good actually. Now our suction is just that, it's supposed to be in a vacuum at all times. Right now we've got 0 vacuum. That's alright, as long as we don't have positive pressure. We've got right at 6 inches of mercury on our pump pressure. That's not good. We're supposed to see an actual pounds per square inch on that one. Not a vacuum. Over here, we've got our digital readout for our economizer and our low pressure receiver. Low pressure receiver is sitting right at 12.5. It's pretty good. 5.7. On our economizer. That's pretty good too. This is the LPR. Big old Rubatex covered tank. On the other side, we have our HPR. High pressure receiver. That's also on here. That's our sight glass for telling us how much oil is inside there. We got about 4 volts. Whatever that means, it's arbitrary. Next on our list is purger. Now the purger is a little tiny contraption right over here. What it does is it removes non-condensables out of the system. For instance, any atmosphere, water, nitrogen, anything that's not ammonia gets purged. Right now, showing about 25 minutes purge. That's spot on for this time of day. I reset it every night at midnight. All right, back over here. We're gonna start with compressor 5 because it's right here. As you can see, we got about a tube on our suction, 121 on our discharge, about 4 square inch difference on our differential. Yeah, so before the filter and after the filter. Creep around here. That's our oil pressure. We're sitting right at 161. That's pretty good. We use our IR gun to take the temperature of the oil in the system. These particular compressors use Zerol 300 oil. It's for refrigeration. Can't really see that, but it's 117 degrees. And finally, another sight glass. Tells us how much oil is in there. We've got 3. Again, just an arbitrary measuring system. It's the exact same process for the other compressors. With different brands, but they all function the same way. So I'm going to go ahead and take the numbers, the readings from the rest of these other 2 compressors, and I'll catch y'all later.